Hello, good afternoon. Today I would like to show you how to do the troubleshooting for your solar lights. If your solar lights doesn't work, like this one, it's not on, doesn't work. So this time, don't worry, I will show you how to check it and to repair it. It's really very easy. So the tools you need, one is the multimeter and the screwdriver. So let's check the battery box. Unscrew the battery box. Okay, let's unscrew the 4 screws and open the battery box. Actually, the solar lights structure is very simple. There are 3 key parts: the solar panel, battery, controller, and the lace in the flowers. So we can just check one by one. So the first key part is the battery. We have to pick out the battery and to check its volt. If the battery volt is 0 volt, then the battery is dead. You have to change another one. So let's check. Shows 0.95. So the battery is still alive. We can put it back. Second step, we have to check the wires one by one to see if wires is take off or loose. Now wires is all okay. So then we can make sure the wires connection is okay. And then the third step is we have to check the solar panel if the solar panel is still working. The method is very simple. Try to find the 2 wires out from the solar panel and then check its volume. Make sure the solar panel is face the sun. It shows 9.52. So the solar panel is still okay. So